Today we have the pleasure of showing you a 2024 195 SF Scout here at MarineMax in Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Would love to take you through this boat today for a quick preview and then ultimately welcome you by the dealership to tell you a little bit more. Starting here in the back, we do have the upgraded power. We have a Yamaha 150 4-stroke with the updated cowling design. This boat does have the upgraded steering. As we step into the boat, you'll notice here in the cockpit, Scout does an amazing job laying out the boat very nice. We have 2 bucket seats, one off the port, one off the starboard side. Your raw water washdown hookup is isolated here in the back so the hose stays out of your way and isn't impeding your walk around deck space. Nice high gunnels with bolsters, so as you're fishing, very comfortable boat to stand in. You're not going to bang up your knees. And then you do have under gunnel storage, which is pretty rare in a 19-foot center console. Very nice helm seat. Backrest is removable if you want to pick up a couple extra rod holders for fishing. And then you lift this up and we have a live well, or you can use it as a cooler. This boat does have the upgraded T-top. Really changes the entire look of the boat. And then we left the dash open to install a electronic screen of your choice. We did install the Fusion head unit with JL audio speakers. As we walk up to the bow, one thing I would like to note is how deep the freeboard is on this 19-foot center console. It's going to create a very safe feeling, great ride offshore or cruising the bay. And then we do have the upgraded bow with a bow cushion, backrest, cup holder / rod holder upgrade up in the front, and then a nice Yeti cooler with a backrest and cushion. So overall, great boat whether you're fishing or cruising with the family. Again, we would love to show you this boat in person, or feel free to call us and we're happy to provide some more information. Brian McGlenn at MarineMax, 772-287-4495.